Okay, how are you, Bob? Long time. How have you been?
Yeah, good.
How's Egypt doing?
Yeah, good.
Yes.
Good.
How are you? Nice to
Fine.
see you. Absolutely. Great to see you guys. Let's start. So your eye that we operated doing good?
Yeah.
Yes?
Doing very well.
Open wide. Super. And I saw your notes from your doctor.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
very well, yeah.
So ready for the right eye? Yes?
I'm just put you some good. So shall we give it to you now or after the exam?
اهم حاجه بتاعت مي
I'm telling you that this is the most important.
Oh,
My sister have like page on Instagram that make like stuff like these. She made
Oh
this
my God.
Egyptian thing.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
So what does the hieroglyphic say?
It's like pharaonic, you know, pharaonic things.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You know,
I'm not into these stuff, but
دي العربه بتاع الكسوس
yeah, it's the that says
الألفان هذا
an X,
المخصوص.
an X, and machine.
اول عربه اتعملت دي في
Yeah.
wow. You know, I spoke in Cairo.
Yeah, he told me to the doctors.
I have some of these. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you so
My
much.
sister made it herself.
Oh my God. You have two sisters who are here, right?
Yes.
One is the dental surgeon and the other.
I heard you in the video you told that we came with 9 people. We came straight this time.
I told you bring
Yeah.
more. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey, you don't have to, Mama. This is itself enough. Really.
Yeah,
Really,
yeah.
please.
هو بيحب
Oh, boy.
نانسي هو على طول
Can I leave it here?
Sure.
Yeah.
Careful. That's so nice.
This is for you too.
Oh, Maya. Yeah. Maya, I remember. Oh, thank you. What is
This is
this?
your name in Arabic. For your suit.
Oh, you don't need to do that, man.
No,
Your
no,
vision,
yeah,
my
yeah.
gift is
No,
all of you
no,
guys.
it's nothing to do with that. It's not a gift.
So what does this say?
It's Dr.Gulani in Arabic. It's in Arabic, your name in Arabic.
I'll put it on today. I will. Amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So guys, you don't need to do these things for me.
بص بقى كل دي
Are we done? No?
This one is food. You have to try it. This is like you know the raw things in the
Caviar.
fish.
Oh, yeah, caviar, yeah.
Yeah. Something like caviar, but smoky. Just try it. Food.
عايزه تكون رياضيه
عايز ايه؟
Wow.
بيتاكل ازاي؟
منشط
You done? Huh?
تبدا الدلو دي
Look at
مش ده حليب.
هي بتحل
Guys, did you remember to bring your own luggage? Please don't.
انت جايب له تشيب
مصر
This
ايجيبت
is for Egypt. Just to remember Egypt.
والجلابيه والفربوش
Oh my God. this is beautiful.
Yeah, this is Egypt in Arabic. Masr.
I've seen you wear these things, right?
No, I didn't.
الجلابيه والفربوش يا بابا
This is so beautiful.
you gotta wear that in surgery, doc.
I will. I will wear it for your face. Oh my God, what is this?
A fez?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
You have to wear it instead of the suits. Very comfy.
I'm very clear. My new scrubs. Oh my God. Mohammed, enough.
No.
لا لا دول بتوع قول له بابا
وريها له برضه
المدام
And this for your wife and your daughter. Egyptians. You have to.
Oh my God.
كلهم بالليل
I really feel. Did you remember to bring your own?
Yeah, of course. This is like games, small games like chess and this stuff. Chess and this stuff like have pharaonic stuff on this designs from Egypt. Just do this. Yeah. Thank you so much.
قول له
You don't need to do all
قول له
this.
اهم حاجه مي
He's
What's that?
saying it that Maya Ida, the page is a very important thing.
Yeah, yes,
She made this.
yes. I remember. That's your favorite daughter, right? I should say my favorite. I remember.
نانسي هو
You want?
لا
دي
ونانسي
بالنسبة لك أهم واحدة.
نانسي
Yeah, I know.
You know Nancy, the other girl is a fashion girl.
Nancy's in fashion and dental surgeon.
Yes.
She was here, right? I remember.
Yes, yes.
She's amazing. I remember why he said in particular, right?
Yeah.
I remember that. Again, great to see you guys. Great to see you. Again, please, all this stuff, guys, don't have to. I just love you guys. And
It's everything for you.
all my patients drive me nuts.
Yeah, and so many patients for that gifts you show on the Instagram, so that's everything. Nothing to do with the surgery, of course.
Thank you,
Just
thank you.
from
thank
Egypt.
you.
Just
Thank
remember
you.
Egypt, not us.
I will, Egypt. I have fantastic memories.
Yeah.
Fantastic. I spoke there, Cairo, then they took me around to the pyramids and all that, Alexandria Library.
لازم
Oh, it's
يجي
amazing.
يقول له لازم يجوا
You have to
يعزموا.
go. You have to
Yeah,
go.
yeah, I will. I will. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can we please give us a minute? And
Yeah.
then on the surgery day, I'll tell you I'll wear something.
Okay.
I will. Okay, let's start then. So left eye doing great.
Yes, of course.
Fantastic. And now today we're going to measure your right eye and proceed from there, see what numbers I get, and then plan for surgery Thursday. All right? Yeah.
Alright.
Good.